telling you a question.
So you said, please tell me, give me 4 or 5 good reasons as to why anyone should be a Muslim, sir.
Because
Because
it's
the Quran has not been altered.
first of all, it's the religion of truth. I don't have to.
I'm trying to explain, not just reiterate.
Is this the Quran? This is the Quran.
This is yes,
Did
this
you
is.
open it?
Well, I've read this nonsense multiple times.
Nonsense. Okay.
Of course it's
Did
nonsense.
you open it?
Yeah, it's. Listen to me again.
What does
What
the
did I
cover
say?
say?
You asked me that already. What did I say?
What does the cover say? No, don't read. Don't read.
Go on.
Okay. What does the cover say?
The cover.
Yes.
The cover says.
don't read it,
Hey,
don't
wait.
Ashuf my arm. You did not read it.
Hey, look, I'm not a parrot. I'm not a Muslim, you know. I don't memorize like silly Muslims. No, I don't.
You don't even know the title.
Yeah?
The book.
Yeah, this title.
You have to read it.
This title. Who cares about memorizing the title? How does that benefit you?
If you actually
Does
read
that
the
help
book-
your brain grow by memorizing the title?
If you actually read the book, you
So
will know the
nonsense.
title.
Okay, don't just give me
Now
just.
you're on again.
All right,
You're on again.
my dear friends.
Pack your bags. Go home.
Reason. No one's my friend. That's quite unfortunate. That is quite
You're
unfortunate.
calling us silly. And you want to be our friend?
Are you not my friend?
You're calling me silly. I'm not a Muslim. You're saying silly Muslims.
Okay.
And you
So
want to be my friend? How can I be your friend?
you have been.
You're humiliating me.
Please listen to me. You have been here for 20 minutes or so.
Yes, and I'm trying
I
to
asked
answer,
you.
You're running away.
I asked you multiple questions so far.
One question.
None of which you tried to answer, and therefore,
I tried, but you're running away.
You have been here for years.
in a,
You never read the book.
according to in an Islamic caliphate, when there is Sharia, what's the punishment for apostasy?
Apostasy.
What?
Execution. يعني كفر.
Kufr? Yeah.
Hey,
But,
execution, you get
but
killed.
you're looking at, you're saying.
No, wait. At least he's bold enough. He's answering
No, no,
first. Please
no,
answer.
you're
first.
No, he doesn't understand. He doesn't
Execution,
understand.
yeah.
Execution.
Is that a good idea?
Of course.
It's a good idea, of course. It's a good idea.
Okay.
All right. So in other one second. So in other words, tomorrow, if there is Sharia law in our nation, you would be quite happy if I am killed. You'd be quite happy if a Muslim who leaves Islam is killed.
You didn't apostate. You didn't
No, not me. Not okay. So if there is a Muslim who leaves Islam tomorrow, and if there is Sharia law, you would be quite happy. You'll be cheering on if that person were to be killed.
This is the Sharia. Yes.
Yeah, you'd be happy. You'd be
Listen,
happy with that.
Can I?
No, you'd be happy with that. Yeah, you would be. Yeah, you would be. So this is the problem.
So we can
This is
only
the problem we
answer
have in our nation, my dear friends, who are sensible people. Even if you are Muslims already, listen to what the young man is saying.
What's the punishment for
The young man is saying, if you leave Islam tomorrow, and if there is Sharia law, he would be happy if you are killed, and he will cheer on. He will cheer on. And therefore, may I please comment to you, that is one good reason as to why Islam is not fit for purpose. Islam needs to leave our nation. We need to kick it out like a plague. Like a cancer, like a plague. We need to chuck it out of our society. By the way, where are you from, sir?
I'm from Kuwait.
Kuwait. Even in Kuwait, my dear friend, even in Kuwait, Islam has to be kicked out. Islam doesn't belong anywhere.
The laws is.
Do you have human beings in Kuwait?
Yeah, of course.
Good. So that's good enough reason to kick out Islam. Wherever there are human beings, Islam doesn't belong. Simply doesn't belong.
But I have.
So,
I respect Christianity. That I don't say that it has to be.
I understand.
In
You know,
our
no
country-
one disrespects Christianity. Did you guys know this?
in our country-
My dear friends,
No, in our
did you
country-
guys,
In our
just
country
one
we
second.
have churches. and we
Good.
respect
One
Christianity.
second. Did you guys know there is no one of a sensible mind who would disrespect Christianity at all? No one would remotely say, I dislike Jesus Christ. You know why? Why? Because Jesus has quality. Even if you're not a Christian, you simply cannot point out to one bad thing about Jesus. Do you know of one bad thing about Jesus, sir?
Islam doesn't teach that.
One bad thing about Jesus.
No,
There is nothing. We Muslims accept.
No, one bad thing about Jesus.
Muslims accept Jesus.
Do you know one bad thing about Jesus?
All of the prophet. There no
Do you know of one bad thing about Jesus?
There's no.
There is none. But about Muhammad, I can give you a long list. I can keep typing and typing and typing. It's a long list. You can see at the news. Just yesterday, people motivated by Muhammad ended up killing multiple people in Germany just yesterday. Same day in France. I don't know all the details, but again, what come across as terrorist attacks in France too. People motivated by Muhammad are going around killing. Is that a good idea, sir? So why are they doing it? In an Islamic state, what would happen to non-Christians, non-Muslims?
I mean, I don't think so. Islam says.
That's fine. Please give him his space. Please give him his space. Please give him his space. Please give him. That's fine. Please give him his space. That's fine. Please give him his space. Thank you. Please give him his space. Please, thank you. Now, the gentleman has moved on. In an Islamic state, my dear friend, you have been testing the limit for a long time. You have been testing the limit. You just need to maintain a little bit of distance and we'll be fine. Thank you very much. Thank you.